Hello, friends. Welcome to English with Neha. When we go to a hotel for the first time and need to order food in English, we feel a little nervous, right? Today, we will watch a small story about a little boy named Leo. He is ordering food for himself for the very first time. This story is not only fun, but it will also give you confidence to speak English. So, let's begin. Watch closely.
Wait, stop!
What's wrong now?
Look at it, Sarah. It's crowded.
It's just a diner, Leo. People eat there.
They will ask me questions. Fast questions. Oh,
And you will give them answers. Simple.
can't you just talk for me, please?
Nope, not today. You're the boss today.
But I will forget how to speak.
Deep breath. Follow me.
It's happening. It's really happening.
Stop hiding. Just walk.
Even that kid looks more professional than me.
Ready for the next step?
I think I forgot my name.
Just open the menu, Leo.
Okay, here goes nothing. Whoa, it's huge. Why are there so many words?
Don't look at everything at once. Start here.
Appetizers? Is that a type of lizard?
Oh, silly. No, silly. Appetizers are just snacks before the real food.
Okay. And main course? Is there a test?
No test. That's just the big meal. The burger, the pizza, the heavy stuff.
Everything is spinning. What is a beverage?
Drinks, Leo. Water, soda, juice. Just drinks.
My brain is full. I can't choose.
Here is the trick. Look at the pictures first.
Okay, stomach likes that one.
Okay, that's the sunshine burger. See? Easy.
Sunshine Burger. Do I have to say the price too?
Nope. Just the name. You can do this.
Just the name. One Sunshine Burger, please. Someone is coming. Howdy, folks. Welcome to the sunniest spot in town. He's too great. He's too loud. I'm Max. I'll be your food guide today. how are we doing?
We're doing great. My friend here is ready to order.
I am? Awesome! Ready for the big question? What can I get for you? We have got the BBQ Blast, the Mega Melt, and the Taco Tuesday Special. Wait, BBQ what? What? Or maybe the soup of the day? It's creamy cauliflower. Is that a vegetable or a planet?
Just tell him about the burger, Leo. Take a breath.
No rush, buddy. Take your time. The burger is a classic choice. The burger? The Sunshine Burger. It's our best seller. You want that? Yes. This one, I think. Excellent choice. A man of taste. Now, for the details. Details? There are more questions? Ready when you are, Captain.
Just say the sentence, Leo.
I would lick? I would like... Oh no, I said lick. Hey, don't worry, I have heard worse. Take it slow. Try it like this. I would like... I would like... Great! Keep going. What do you want to have? I would like to have the Sunshine Burger. Boom! You did it! One Sunshine Burger! I did it. It's over, right?
Almost. Remember the onions, Leo?
Wait! The onions! I hate onions! No onions? No problem. How do you want to say that? I have to say more?
This is the important part. Customizing.
The onions, they are like little circles of sadness.
Then tell him, Leo, no onions, please. It's that simple.
You are the boss of this burger, Leo. What's the command? Okay, I would like the burger with no onions, please. Got it! No onions. The onion-free zone. Anything else? And the drink. I want the cola, but not too much Cold Rocks.
Less ice, please.
Yes, and a cola with less ice, please. Whew, you are a pro at this. One burger, no onions. One cola, less ice. Coming right up. I will be back before you can say cheeseburger. I think I actually said all the words.
Oh. See? You didn't even melt. How do you feel?
I feel hungry and kind of cool. I can't believe I did that. I actually ordered food.
You did. Now we just wait for the prize.
The prize without onions. Best prize ever.
The wait is over. 1 onion-free masterpiece and a low ice cola.
No onion. It's beautiful. Thank you, Max. This looks amazing.
Enjoy. I will check back in a bit.
Oh man, this tastes like victory.
See? It tastes better when you order it yourself, right?
Way better! Way better! I'm the king of ordering! I am so full. That was a 10 out of 10.
So, how do we get the bill?
Excuse me, Max? Can we have the check, please?
You got it, boss. Right away.
And a little extra for Max. He was a good coach.
Look at you. No more shaking knees.
Shaking? Me? I'm ready for the next restaurant. Maybe tomorrow we try the pizza place? I want to practice extra cheese.
Deal. But only if you order the dessert too.
Oh, dessert is easy. That's just yes to everything.